Namaste. How's it going? Is there really a samarasa, the nectar coming from the brain, descending down to the lower system? Yeah? And Hatha Yoga Pradipika associates this fluid as the essence of immortality, but it's not physical immortality, but it's a spiritual, a vital force, contained in the somarasa. Because when the CSF, the somarasa actually is the CSF, is magnetized and electrified by the prana, now this leads to the absorption of the mind. And then during samadhi, you will attain the spiritual boundlessness, so to speak. Yeah, so the somarasa comes from the ventricular system, the CSF flowing in and out of the body. And then during the practice of pranayama, specifically Bhastrika, we electrify and magnetize the somarasa. Therefore, when it goes back up to the brain, it could stimulate the silent centers there. What else? Inversions. Yeah. And then the manifestation of this is quite distinct. Yeah, literally it drips down from the brain and it is separate from the other fluid we experience. For example, the saliva, it's separate. Yeah, it's like a distinctive taste. Yeah, it's sweet, really sweet, and it's more of an aromatic rather than taste. Yeah, and it's quite distinctive because for me, it comes from the nasal cavity, the back, and specifically my right nasal pathway. Yeah, that's where I feel it drip down, and it's like a drop, a tiny drop, and then you can distinctively taste it. Yeah, I can still taste it now because I just practiced my inversion, and then it goes away. Yeah, after a few minutes, and then it will come back, it will descend again during the practice of those energetic observances. So yes, it means when the samarasa is manifesting and it tastes really sweet, it contains the essence of the vital life force. Yeah, it's also a manifestation of the openness and the purity of your nadis, meaning you are living, a healthy life. Yeah, your body is brimming with the life force within you, and physically, if you're living healthily, you prolong your physical health, and therefore, this will lead to a long journey. Yeah, so we can promote and share the beautiful essence of yoga. Yeah.